Will we be able to speak to Sushant Singh Rajput through automatic writing? Okay, that's not my question. Since I have announced my automatic writing course, many people are inquiring about this. Many people are wanting to do something like this, and it was very surprising for me. Okay, so in counter, I asked them, does he want to talk to you? You will speak to him or not is not the question. Does he want to talk to you? So basically, what happens in many schoolings that the concepts are not right. Concepts about realm, concepts about the other world, concepts about your own shielding, concepts about your own chakras, your own system of understanding divinity are not being properly catered to. So this was my personal experience. Okay, so I thought that let me find out something which is for logical people as well, because most of the times people come and tell me, oh, I can never meditate, I cannot even close my eyes, I don't think so I can get into spirituality. So this course is mainly for those logical people, and I always say that whatever I teach is a good balance of logic and occult both. I am myself a very logical person, and I never felt I would ever be able to do automatic writing, but mind you, it's very easy. There is a myth also that if we start connecting to the other realm, it's something like a planchette or something, and then they'll come and then they'll start troubling us. Okay, it's not true. Here again, the concept thing comes into the case. So what happens is, in my course, I take 2 sessions. The first session is completely clearing these concepts and proving to you and your subconscious mind that taking messages is very, very, very easy. Okay, the first whole session is all about this. Then I give you a homework, a certain homework. That homework you have to properly do right, and then when you come for the next session that I decide, okay, you will come for the next session, I will be checking your homework, and if I find you eligible for the attunement, only then I will be giving you attunement. So this balances the quality control as well, and if I feel that you need to practice more, then definitely you have that period of practice as well. And what happens majorly here is you prove to yourself in this homework period that yes, I can do. And if you cannot do a certain kind of connection, then again we meet, and again I can guide you, help you doing that properly. Okay, I do not believe in just attuning and sending you. I believe in some 4 protection channels. You will be given 4 protection channels for this course, because talking to any realm other than the human realm, that's the dimension or the other world, you need a certain protection for sure. And that protection is a double kind of a protection, which I give as well and which you take as well. So there is a lot more technical process attached to it, which will be explained to you in this course. I will not leave you within 2 hours. Now you go, you're attuned, you go home and you practice. I will see how you practice. I will always be with you in this whole process. So this is majorly what I teach in the automatic writing course. And all the myths like, oh, is it really fearful? Do we see ghosts? Are the angels possible? What is the higher self? What is the soul? Can I talk to Lord Shiva? Can I talk to some diseased person? Can I talk to my Nana ji? And for those people also who already have been attuned unknowingly, you also see, we all are born psychics. Let's lock this. We all are born psychics, and some people are already attuned. Some people already see the other world. Some people already sense. Some people can hear something and they don't know what to do about it. And then they are being tagged as maybe schizophrenics, or ye pagal ho gaya hai, yeah, something is really wrong with this person's mind, and they really don't know what to do. This is a special course for such people as well. I welcome you here so that you come to your own real world and you understand what's exactly happening with these extra powers. The extra powers just need to get trimmed, organized and systemized. So I welcome you all to my automatic writing course, and I will definitely see you all in this course